Hey YouTube, Mr. BMX guy here today, and I'm going to be doing a bike check on my completely custom bike. I'm going to start at the top. Black animal grips. I cut the rings off at the end. Now I have kink bars, Mission component stem, Crane Creek headset, Kink Doyle forks, Vise hub, Y303 front rim, Kink doily frame, premium pivotal seat with the kink post, Miracle stock crank arms, Miracle stock pedals, kink sprocket, another stock Miracle, orange KMC chain, back rim Y303 with a Vise hub and a little pipe cleaner thing. I like this bike a lot. I can do some pretty high tricks. I like it. I'll do a trick. Yeah, I like it a lot. Like, ride, subscribe, rate, favorite. Peace.